The STF-800 tube filling machine is reliable, high-performance packaging device suitable for various industries such as cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, food and daily necessities, under ideal material conditions. Its capacity can reach up to 120 tubes per minute, significantly improving production efficiency and making it ideal for large-scale manufacturing needs. The machine provides consistent sealing quality, minimizing material waste and ensuring product uniformity. Its adaptive design supports various tube materials, such as plastics, aluminum and laminates, offering exceptional versatility. The STF-800 tube filling machine features an intuitive touchscreen human-machine interface for easy operation and quick parameter adjustments. Safety is paramount, with multiple protection mechanisms, including an emergency stop button and overload alarm. Its compact design saves workshop space, provides stable performance, and reduces downtime and operating costs.